Hi, this is Maksud Ahmad Lashkar, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Assam Downtown University. So, I'm going to share the practical on pharmacology and toxicology. So, the title of the experiment is Effect of Drug on Rabbit Eye. So, basically, this practical I'm going to share you with the help of XFAM software. So, through online medium, so here I'll go for login, then I have to select the experiment from this. So here is the effect of Beres dragon rabbit eye. So this is our XFAM series for XPGO software. So we'll click here. Well, this is the experiment where we have to perform it. So first of all we will see the instruction. Okay, so our aim is to determine the effect of drug on the pupil size, light reflex and intraocular tension of the animal eye, that is rabbit eye. So materials like rabbits, measuring scale, torch, cotton, wool, etc. will be required. Then some solutions like normal saline, then drug physostigmine, atropine, ephedrine, lignocaine. These few drugs will be required. Okay, so next is the procedure. So we will follow the same for performing the experiment. Next here the drug for inject. So in this section we have to select the drug. Suppose I have selected the drug epinephrine, then I have to inject it. Then there will be two options, left eye and right eye. So first of all I will put it into the left eye and I'll observe the things. So by giving the drug, it has been seen that the pupil size has been dilated. Okay, so this is the observation. Next we will put torch on it, then we will see the corneal reflex. If you touch the cotton, then again there will be a positivity. So this thing we will write in a table, it is given there. So first drug, for example epinephrine, it was there. So intraocular tension before it was normal, now it is less. So here we will put L. Then for light reflex also it was yes there, corneal reflex also it was there, pupil size has been increased, before it was normal, now it is increased after. So these are the things we have to make in a table form. Then again for the similar way, for this left as well as right eye we have to test. Next, suppose we will inject the same drug in the right eye also, then we will see again there is a dilation in the pupil size. So this dilation actually it will be observed, and again here we will put the torch, then we will see this is it has been constricted. If we put touch cotton, then yes there is a corneal reflex by using this touch cotton. So these are the few observations we have to make in the table, this table, and then finally we have to say that this drug like saline is having no effect after or before administration. By comparing that epinephrine, there is a dilation in the pupil size. Okay, so these are the things we have to comparatively differentiate. For example, if we select another drug like atropine, inject, Okay, so if I have injected atropine, untouched cotton, touch cotton, so there is a corneal reflex, and the pupil size has been increased. If I am giving torchlight, then the pupil size is increasing. Similarly, if I am giving this same drug, atropine, here, or we can click a new rabbit also. For each drug, it's better to click a new rabbit eye. So suppose here atropine, inject, left eye, increase pupil size, zero light reflex, and cotton touch, there is a corneal reflex is there. So similar way here also, if we injecting that atropine in the right eye, then we can see there is no light reflex and there is a corneal reflex. And one more thing, the intraocular tension, here it is normal, here also it is normal. So this way the same thing we have to write here, like atropine, then intraocular tension before was normal, after also normal, light reflex it was normal, corneal reflex normal or absent, pupil size it was normal. So this is how by preparing this table we can conclude the various effects of the drug in the rabbit eye, whether they are causing mydriasis or miosis. That is, either it may be a dilation of pupil size or maybe contraction of pupil size, that is also with the corneal or light reflex into the rabbit eye. Thank you.